Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect PayPal to eBay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. And we also have the send requests and other options here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect PayPal to eBay. So first of all, what you need to do guys is go and click on log into your eBay account, of course. So of course you have to have an eBay account also. So before this, create a PayPal account and create an eBay account. Then click on My eBay and navigate to the Account tab. Under the PayPal account, click Link My PayPal account. You'll be prompted to log into PayPal to complete the linking process. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, of course, as I said, you can always click on Sign Up button instead. And that's guys, that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.